am the mother of a well-known Jamaican journalist residing in the USA. Undocumented, I worked to send my son to school to become a journalist. Summer of this year, I was able to go to Jamaica to see the fruits of my labor. I couldn't attend any award for him, and this is a big award, the Governor General Award. The same day the award is the same day I was coming back to the US. I have to change the date on my ticket. I was gonna go the 19th. And then I was to change my ticket again just to attend this award ceremony. When they called the accolade, the Kool-Aid, and the marmalade for my son, I couldn't cry. I was so proud of him, just seeing for the first time. When I couldn't get to take a picture of him, I have to push my way through the crowd. I almost cried. Really, I did. And I said, I can't get to take a picture with my son. And one lady said, push your way through. They said, Mother, everybody know your son. The world has known your son. And everywhere me walk, me feel important, because me a VIP, And then you hear everybody, Vashon Brown mother, Vashon Brown mother. Every walk me walk, Vashon Brown mother. The only thing left was the chariot. Here is the speech that my son gave at that ceremony. When he said my mother is visiting from the USA, and this award is ours. Oh, I make a 360 and stand up in my high heel boot, not tap ya. It melts my heart. Look, please subscribe to my video, like, share, comment. I will respond to your comment. Thank you for doing so. And for those of you who are viewing and keep viewing and viewing, thank you for the love and thank you for the support. Mwah. I love you all.
Good afternoon. So picture this. You grow up in a working class family where every day is a struggle to make ends meet. Against the odds, you manage to reach university only to find that the challenges persist. Yet, fueled by determination, you forge ahead, navigating the complexities of academia and professional life. That is the story of many of us being awarded today. But our journey doesn't end with personal success. It extends far beyond ourselves. Many of us here have dedicated ourselves to improving Jamaica at the community, national, and international levels. We've been working hard to see others live better lives. We've done this work in various sectors like education, health, culture, youth development, media and communication, and so on. So put another way, this recognition is not just a celebration of individual accomplishments, but shows the ways in which we have been contributing to building stronger communities. I'm immensely grateful to be given this opportunity to give remarks on behalf of all of the awardees this afternoon. To be counted among those who have made an indelible mark on our country is a significant achievement. At the same time, we cannot pause. We cannot rest. We cannot stop. Our communities still need us. Our country still needs us. The world still needs us. So even as we take the time to celebrate and bask in this moment, we know that come tomorrow, we will still have to continue to assist young people to prepare for their exams. We have to continue those innovative community projects, and we have to continue to challenge ourselves by taking on more leadership roles or by taking on more rigorous academic battles like fighting to complete a PhD in another country. So I want to take all of our families, friends, mentors, and colleagues who supported us